Morning traders, we are live right now. This is our first live stream at reviewingpropfirm.com. Welcome. Please, you can put in the chat if you hear me good. It will help me, but I think everything is good. So, this is our first live stream, and today we're gonna review fundednext.com, which is a good prop firm, I think, and we bought and we choose a challenge from them. So I will show you the one we took, everything. We will review the prop firm. I will trade with you guys. So everything is on its way. This is perfect, guys. So this is funded next. I will show you the challenge that I bought yesterday. I took one trade and we lost it for minus 1%, which is good. This is our first day trading the Forex market since the New Year's. So Happy New Year's 2025 will be our years, guys. So here's their website, empowering promising traders worldwide, up to 95% profit split, up to 300k trading account, which is good. I think other firm can offer like 400k maximum account. There's in some challenge no times limit, and some add-ons when you bought the challenge that you can see in our video. We will post some video about the firm as well in the future. So they're looking to have a good Trustpilot review. 25,800 reviews on Trustpilot, looking like it's 4.5 4.6 out of 5-star rating on Trustpilot, which is pretty good. What I like about this firm is that you can have 15 profit share in your challenge phase. That's mean when you bought a challenge, when you get funded, you're gonna have and receive 50% from your profit from your challenge phase, which is pretty good. As well, I'm gonna show you everything when. So this is their models. So I'm gonna show you the challenge that I bought yesterday, which is the most popular model in Funded Next. It's called the Stellar Challenge. So when you select the Stellar Challenge, you will have the choice between the Stellar 2-step, Stellar 1-step, and the Stellar Light. Me personally, I took so I choose the Stellar, not the Stellar Light, the Stellar Normal, and I prefer the 1-step than the 2-step. I will explain you why, and I will explain you why I choose for my trading style the Stellar 1-step challenge. So if you come here and you look at the characteristic of this challenge, uh, one reason that I took the Stellar is because the news trading is allowed. So that's mean if you are more of a kind of a swing trader like me, that I'm trend concentrating the trend, I'm taking trade with the trend, so that my trade uh, can can run for like 1, 2, and maybe 3 days. And during this time, we have a lot of news, red impact, medium impact, and low impact as well. So if you choose a challenge that's it's not allowed of new that if you choose a challenge that news trading are not allowed, uh, it will not be good for you because you're gonna fail the challenge if you are not closing your trade before the news. So, for example, if I chose a challenge with no trading news, with no news trading allowed, I will have no choice to close my trade before the news and reopen it after the news, which is not good for a swing trader, you understand? So this is why I choose a challenge with news trading allowed. And other characteristic that I think it's good for me for this challenge is minimum trading days. I only need to trade 2 days for pass the challenge. I'm not that kind of trader that will pass the challenge in one trade. So it's good for me. I usually take around 1 to 2 trade per day maximum. So some days I can just no trade, and some days it can have just no opportunity for us. So with this challenge, you need to lose maximum 6% of the account, and the maximum daily loss is 3%. So what is a daily loss? A daily loss is and the fact that is balance based drawdown is, for example, you start your account with if we took the 100 grand 100K challenge, for example, if you start the challenge at 100K, your first day trading will be $3,000 maximum loss for the daily loss. Okay, if for example in the first trading days you make some profit and you like at 1000 5000 $105,000, so $5,000 profit, um, your daily loss will be calculated with your daily balance, so it will be 3% out of $1,500. So sorry, one of your 5 grand profit as well, so 1005 yeah, so you understand. So I think the Stellar's Challenge at my funded next is the best one for swing trader, which is my kind of trading. So personally, we got a 50 grand Stellar one step challenge to start the live stream, which is pretty good. I need to make for the 10% for the profit target is $1,500. We need to make as profit, and the maximum overall loss will be $900. So if I'm trading 1% per trade, uh, I need with 3.1 risk reward ratio, I need to win three trade I need to win 4 trade, and I will pass the challenge that can takes me about 1 to 2 weeks, depend on the market. You know, sometimes the market is pretty choppy, sometimes the market is pretty more easy to read. The important is that you keep a good risk management and you don't lose more than you are that the important is that your winning trade are bigger than your losing trade. Okay, this is a big things that impact your trading when you trade the some funded account with some rules that you don't have the choice to follow. You understand me? So yeah, this is basically the Stella one step challenge. We're gonna trade this challenge for the next days. I'm gonna be here live streaming uh, from Monday to Friday at 9 a.m., guys. So we're gonna go and take a look at the chart. Oh yeah, so as well, what I wanted to show you guys, it's okay when you bought the challenge. If you want to buy the challenge from Funded Next, you don't have the choice to log in into your account. Me, I'm gonna log in automatically because I'm already logging in. Um, sorry, but this is basically when you come in the dashboard, you have your trading account here, and you can go to the dashboard from here, and you're gonna have all your account overview overview like this here. So I can see my balance, my loss till this day, the drawdown if we have an active trade, and already complete the 2 trading days. So you can see like this is the 4th step that you need to pass. Don't breach the daily loss limit, don't breach the overall loss limit. You need to trade 2 days minimum, and you need to reach the profit target as usual to get funded with them. So, and I will be funded once I pass the challenge. I will receive 15% profit from the challenge phase, which is pretty good. So we're not trading for nothing. You understand? You you're gonna receive profit from your challenge phase. So for me personally, I'm trading more gold, guys. So I will go through trading view, showing you my view of the market for this morning. I'm personally trading more gold and pound yen as well. So let me put that. Yeah, so you see good trading view page, which is good. Yesterday was a pretty good trade on pound yen here. Pretty good opportunity. All right, so yeah, so in this live stream, I'm gonna analyze my chart and everything on TradingView, guys, because I like way more TradingView than the MT5 web platform that I'm gonna show you soon. And so I'm making my analysis on TradingView. Then I'm going to start my trade and trade on the FundedNext platform, which I took the sorry, I choose the MT5 platform. Uh, they have the choice between MT4, MT5, C-Trader, Trade Locker as well. So yeah, so we are in the dashboard. You come here in account dashboard. I find that this part of the website is a little bit laggy for some reason. I'm not sure why, but yeah, so you come here in platform, MT5 web terminal, because I choose the MT5 terminal, the MT5 platform, sorry. And here's the platform. This not looking like MT5. If I will be honest with you, if I want to be honest with you, it's not looking like MT5, but I tried to log in on my cell phone on the original platform, MT5 platform, and it's the same as usual. I think the web platform is like kinda uh the web terminal for MT5. I think it's kinda different than what I was used to original back in the day. So I think it's like a a programmed platform from Funding Next with MT5, because I'm not sure if you're looking, if you know what is MT5, guys, but it's not like MT5. But no problem, we can start trade from here. The platform is working well as well. You have uh, your currency here. If you want to look for one, it's just here. Coming here, for example, on gold, we can see that gold have reached some high at this point right here. If you have active trade, they are gonna running here, okay, in the below. Like every trading platform, you can customize your platform here. You can put it on light, dark. You can change color. For example, I better like this kind of candle, blue and red. We have black and white, blue and red. I like it. You can have the economic calendar right into the platform, which is pretty good. It's look a little bit like a MT5 with trading view combined, you know. um, it's the first time I saw that. Sorry. So it's 9:19 here AM from Montreal, guys. So yeah, we're gonna analyze the chart on TradingView. I'm gonna do my morning routine as usual. I restart the analysis on gold. I have this on pound yen, which was pretty good entry yesterday. I missed it for a couple of pip. My entry was on the 61.8. If we're going on M30, is a pretty simple and decent trade. It's classic trade, guys, and it's in this kind of moment that you can see that the market structure is very powerful, and you always want to trade when you have market structure and Fibonacci combined. So at this point, if we're looking at the 4 hour time frame, we can see that pound yen is stuck in a kind of range. You can see here like that. We have the resistance to the upside here, and we have the supportive area. So right now, I think pound yen gonna come back around around 90, around 194. 194.5, 194, around this level here, and I will explain you why. Of course, it's not the time to enter the trade, but we can have another opportunity soon as well, guys. If we look in gold sitting on the resistance right here, I think we're gonna break higher. We're gonna break higher, I think. I'm gonna explain you why. and I'm gonna explain you my opportunity that I see in the market right now. So market condition yesterday was a little bit choppy. Market was ranging a lot, creating a support here around this area, which create a good supportive area just here. We have the resistance area as well. So gold for the past few days was stuck in the box between my two level that you can see here. We have the resistance area. So to go further to the upside, we need to break that area. This is for sure. Okay. Um, if I'm looking at my resistance area and my fibs. So first things first, we're gonna go on the H4 time frame. While I'm going on the H4 time frame, I want to see what is the trend of the market in the bigger picture, and I want to see what is my biggest level of resistance and support, because these level gonna be used as stop loss and take profit. Okay, so first we can see that the market making lower highs, higher lows, sorry, and higher highs. Pretty simple. So we can see just by reading the chart quickly that the market is in an uptrend. Okay, the market is uptrending right now. So the big trend is an uptrend. We can put a trend line as well to define that, but I'm not that the kind of trader that use trend line personally, but it's personal at your trading plan as well, guys. I think supportive and resistance area are the best, combined with Fibonacci for sure. So then we're going on a minor time frame like the H1, or I will put my big resistance and supportive area. So this level here is the highest high on gold ever made. Okay, we can see that the market, oh no, not the RSI, sorry, but it's the highest in the past month for sure. So we have that big level here of resistance, which is can be a good target. We have that supportive area here. So market trading to the upside. Uh, we came from 2.600, which is if I put my Fibonacci, you can see that the market make an impulsion to the upside, corrective wave to the downside, big wick on the 61.8. Look at the H4 closure here. Big engulfing, big wick right on the 61.8. This is why gold skyrocketing 400 pip to the upside until the big resistance. We can see that my both EMA are crossing to the upside, which is an indication for upside movement as well. So you can see my fibs level here. My fibs level extended will be used as target if we going long in the next days. This is target area for sure. Okay, this is my two level of fib extension. These level of fib extension are coming from the big impulse and corrective wave on the H4 time frame. I'm gonna go on H1 to look for future entry. So personally, we are on the resistance area. So we will need to let gold go for a couple we need to let gold going and restructure itself, because right now we're not gonna short on resistance. I'm not that kind of trader as I talked before. I'm more the kind of trader that will try to continue that trend. So I will look to go long into my fib extension, and maybe the last level will be 2.720. Okay, but we need to find an entry. This is the big deal in the forex, in the trading world. Find the best entry as possible. So right here can be a good entry to go long, because we can expect that gold can be ranging between these two levels. This is the first option. If I'm drawing my fibs, we're gonna go on a smarter time frame to see the past impulsive and corrective wave. So impulse, corrective. So we're drawing a fibs like that. And this is the kind of trade that I like to take, because, and that I take usually because we have my supportive area right fitting with the 38.2. When the market is bouncing on the 38.2, that's mean that the market is trending more heavier. We have more impulse movement to the upside. We have more volatility in the market when the market is bouncing on the 38.2. It's different when the market is coming right into the 61.8. That can happen, but that's tell us that the trend is less powerful, and we're gonna maybe have more ranging movement. What's up, Leo? No problem, Leo Arrow. We're gonna be here every morning. I start trading a couple of days ago after a long break. So if you know me before, I have done my proof, I have done everything in the trading world. So yeah, this is for gold, guys. So as we can see, yesterday gold bounced from the 38.2. We're gonna see maybe golds breaking higher in the next couple of hour. US session have started 1 hour ago around. I'm pretty interesting to see what's gonna happen on that pair. We all big movement of the market have happened yesterday during the night. Okay, if we're looking at pound yen, I'm gonna show you as well my view on that, which is the trade I've already been made, and I was not involved in that one because I missed my entry by a couple of pips. This is a little bit frustrating as a trader, but this is the life of a trader as well. We can't have every trade, but it's in this kind of moment that you can see that the structure of the market is way more powerful than everything. Okay, I swear, guys, market structure is the more powerful thing in a market, and in the forex market for sure. So right now we can see gold, it's about to break to the upside. It's a bad moment to enter a trade, guys. I will not lie, I will not push any trade, that's for sure. So this is the funded next dashboard, guys. I find it some interesting thing. I think it's the programmer on this dashboard made a good work. I'm only trading a 15K challenge, guys, but we going high risk. As you can see, I'm risking 1% per trade, and I'm aiming for maybe a 5.1 risk reward ratio, which on gold can happen pretty quickly. Okay, a 5.1 risk reward ratio. As you can see right now, gold is breaking to the upside. The next level on gold, if we closing above my resistance area, will be my green my gray level in the chart. As you can see here, but the break is not done as yet. The break is not done yet. We need to wait. We For me, a good breakout of a level will be M30 close above, H1 close above, 4 hour close above as well. But the 4 hour, you need to adjust yourself, because it's in still 3.3 hour from here, so it's too long. But the H1 is pretty beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna explain my view on Pound Yen from yesterday. So as you can see, Pound Yen ranging between my two level right here. I can put them on gray, but they are not target or uh, stop loss level. It's just to show you the range that Pound Yen is on the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour time frame. This is the big picture. So before we saw on gold that the big picture is uptrending. Okay, so this is why we going on the smaller time frame, trying to find a long. Then on Pound Yen, we can see that the market is not uptrending, is not downtrending. The market is ranging on the 4 hour, which does mean we're gonna look to trade from a level to another, from this level to another level, to the other level, from the resistance to the support, from the support to the resistance, which is pretty simple. And usually when I'm trading Pound Yen in a range, so we ranging between a supportive level and a resistance level, I will wait for the market to bounce. Maybe the market gonna range a little bit, and after I'm gonna wait on this is, for example, a range on the 4 hour time frame. I'm gonna go on the 1 hour M30, depend on the configuration of the chart, and I'm gonna wait a start of a uptrend on the smaller time frame, a break and pullback to enter the long into the other level of resistance of the 4 hour consolidation. So this is the way I have always trade Pound Yen. It's a simple strategy that works. Um, but you need to understand the market, know how to read the market, which is pretty important. So like yesterday, we almost hit the level of resistance. You know, in the forex market, is not like resistance right above this, right on this level. It's always a big area of resistance, of support. So we almost reach the resistance area around the top of the range. Going on the 1 hour time frame, maybe 30-minute time frame, market have been ranging here, creating with impulsive wave to the downside, lower lows, as you can see. With this impulsive movement here, we created lower lows. This is the moment that you put your Fibonacci on to look until when the until where the retracement can stop. Okay, so first thing first, this is why we can see that the market structure is the most powerful thing in the forex market, because you can see that here we have the 38.2 with the structure area, which yesterday I should took this entry right here like that on the 38.2. And for example, we broke the supportive area, we pull back into the 38.2 and the structure area, and then we can see lower low have been made with lower highs. So this is the confirmation for the start of the downtrend when we broke this level here around 6 a.m. this morning. So it could be a good trade. Personally, I waited too long for took that one. I was looking with my fibs, the last impulsive movement. I was looking, I put a sell limit right here, guys. So it was missed by a couple of pip, which is pretty frustrating, but no problem. It was missed like by 3 pips plus the spread, so it's maybe 5 pip. It's not a problem, but this was a good trade for real. How much pip? Almost like 220 pips to the downside. One candle I've made 100 pip in the single candle. It was a pretty good setup, guys, for real. Unfortunately, my sell limit have not been taken. I've not been triggered. So we can see gold pushing to the upside right now. So what we can do when we broke a big level like that, we can see this is a big level, gold ranging from that resistance since the 25 of January. So it's right now we are the 8th. So it's been almost 15 days that gold have not break it the my resistance area. So we can see by a closure above the resistance area, we can see a push for sure more to the upside. So what I can make is putting my fibs. We're gonna see how where the candle gonna close, but I'm gonna aim for a pullback on the 38 point on the 0.236. Why? Because gold have a lot of volatility right now. So the first fib level with the structure area can be a good try for a long into the upside for a next level. So what we need right now, it's a close of this candle above the resistance area and a strong close, and after we're gonna wait for a quick pullback to the first fibs level to take a long. This kind of trade are very usually quick and you need to have a good reaction on our fibs level. If not, you close the trade. So I will put 1% of my balance on the risk on 48 pip. I'm gonna show you after how to calculate your risk and your lot size when you're trading the gold. Then my target will be 220 pips to my next level, which is my next level is my fib extension of the last impulse and corrective wave on the 4-hour time frame. So we have this impulse, corrective wave, my fib extension, which is my target, are around here, the first gray area. So if we broke the resistance area with a good closure at 10 a.m., I will wait for a corrective a reaction on the 38 23.6, sorry, and then we're going long and we want an instant reaction. We want to push in the next couple of hours when you're entering this kind of trade. Okay, this is pretty important. So for the one are new watching the live streaming, we started I'm gonna start streaming every morning when the market is open at 9 a.m. guys. Okay, for US session, and we're gonna review prop firm. I'm gonna try to pass challenge of prop firm, which is not guaranteed. I will not guarantee you that I pass this challenge that I'm making right now, that I'm trying right now, but I will pass some challenge for sure with you guys on these live stream, as I'm usually doing. You can go on reviewingpropfirm.com to see the best prop firm out of the market. We're gonna test them during these live streams. So today is Funding Next. Funding Next, we have choose a 15k stellar one step challenge. So I only need to make 10% of the balance to pass the challenge um without losing 6%. We have a daily drawdown of 3%, which is pretty good. I'm trading 1% per trade, so we can't breach the account with the 3% daily drawdown. I'm taking usually one trade per day, two trade per day maybe maximum. I'm only trading pound yen and gold, guys. So yeah, this is the dashboard, pretty nice. You can see. Server check the account. Yeah, service is pretty fast as well with Funded Next, which is good. And you can see I find this feature very nice as well. You can see here, the 2-day permitted loss will reset in 7 hours. So you can see when the 2-day loss will reset. Like you can see I lost like $90, and in 7 hours the daily loss limit will reset, so I will be able to lose $450, which will not happen for sure. But I complete my minimum trading days. If the daily loss is the daily loss limit is reached, the account gonna be breached and I will need to buy another one. The overall loss limit is not breached as well. It's $900. I only lost like $200 out of 900. So let's back to gold. We can see this is why we need a close above the resistance area. That's for sure the market gonna react on the resistance area. Why? Because we have a high volume of seller, or maybe institution or big player are closing their long position from here, from here, from here at this level, because for sure this is a resistance level, guys, which that's mean it's a level of institution will take some profit out of their portfolio. You can see that Panyan is still going to the downside. We have no trade to take. We'll go analyze another pair for you guys. I know that Euro USD it's one of the best, uh it's one of the most traded pair. You can put in the chat if you want me to make an analyze on one pair. Okay, we have Euro USD, USD CAD. It's pretty popular as well. So USD CAD is a good chart configuration right now. This pair is ranging, man. This is why I'm not trading these kind of pair, but I find a good setup on this for real. The EMA are just crossing to the upside here. We have the supportive area, the resistance area. We will go and aim. Just looking on the H4, look at this false breakout. Supportive area, break to the downside. We broke to the downside, came back, pulled back, came in, and pulled back to the supportive area and going more to the Gore Futura up. So, which does mean I think on USD CAD we're gonna come back to the resistance area 1.44. The supportive area it's around 1.43. In the smaller time frame we have this beautiful supportive and resistance area as well. Pretty good market structure as we can see. um so it's the same thing as Panyan, guys. We can see that this market is ranging between 144 and 143, which does mean we're looking for a smaller, we want to trade from the resistance to the support, from the support to the resistance, which does mean we're going on the M30 time frame, looking for the smaller trend to continuing. So we have the last high here. Market is making I didn't find it. So market is making higher lows by breaking the supportive area to the upside. then market is making with confirmation with the last day's push to the upside higher highs. So right now, what we can do, putting fibs, what we see here, 61.8, right with the structure at 1.4365. Okay, so when the market gonna come here, we're gonna look for a price action to the upside, then going along from the 61.8 with a price action. When the price action is closed on the 1 hour or M30 time frame, we're gonna put the stop below the 88.6 of fibs and the target into the resistance area. This trade will give us a 2.7 risk reward ratio, which is pretty good, but we need to wait for the corrective wave. Okay, corrective wave 61.8 get it, and price action. So the risk reward ratio will depend with the entry. We want to wait for a price action. The better entry we can get is by waiting for a price action like an engulfing candle, a big wick on the 61.8. Then when the candle close, we wait for the next candle to come back, and we enter on the red candle, stop below the 88.6 and target into the resistance area, which is a 3.1 risk reward trade. If you don't know what that means, guys, a 3.1 risk reward trade is if I'm risking $100 on this trade, if the target got hit, we gonna get it, we're gonna lose 3 times our risk, which is $300. So on my funded account, if I'm risking $150 times 3, so it's $450, which is what is the tier of my challenge goal, because I need to reach 1.5k of profit. So we can see gold is currently, I'm not sure if it's gonna break the resistance or no, but I'm not sure that we're gonna take a trade for now this morning. As I say before, I'm focusing on gold during US session and pound yen more in the night, as we missed by a couple of pips this trade yesterday. Ah. And wanted to show you something as well in the my funded next dashboard. So we can see here, this is like your personal dashboard for buying a challenge from funded next. You need to create an account and log in into it and choose your type of challenge. Then you can have everything here. Platform, we can see that they only have, you can trade by trading view. I never tried to trade by trading view. I'm not sure which is very good for real. I'm the kind of person who will stay with the basic like MT4, MT5, or the other platform that they offering. TradingView is not that much a trading platform. It's more a platform to analyze your chart. But I know that's it can connect with the market as well. We can see that gold is is uh, is wicking from the resistance area. So yeah, platform trading view MT5 web terminal. So this is only the two platform they have. I'm not sure it's because I have an MT5 account, but it will be something to look more further in the next days with fund and next. That's for sure. We're gonna look that together. You can top up your account and reset it here. Transaction payout. You can see all your payout have been made will be here. They have trading competition. You can have cash back on your next purchase. You can see your certificate here as well. Utilities. What is utilities? They give you some tools. Trade smart with Prime Market Terminal. This terminal give you like algorithm. You can have 2 month free trial with Trader Syncs. They give you like a session bar indicator. This indicator will show you like the trading session in your trading view. You should know the trading session hour. It's not that usual, I think. Useful, sorry. News and equity manager. You can download the MT5 platform for Windows, the MT4 platform from Windows. They don't have it for Mac, which is bad for Mac traders, but problem. Trading journal, you can use their trading journal. They have an ebook as well. Yeah, I looked to the ebook yesterday. The ebook is pretty good. I suggest everybody here to read this ebook. Um, they will give you some tips and some stats. Why the most of prop firm trader are failing, and they explain why. The reason is simple, etc., etc. They're looking at having a great team, like a startup team. Um, you can share the book. So yeah, you have every part of the book here. It's a long book. I suggest you to read that. The versus EAW, the relation between maximum loss versus average win. I explained you this before. Is you always want your losing trade to be way more smaller than your winning trade. It's an important thing when we talk about passing pro from challenge. You want your maximum loss way more smaller than your minimum win. Okay, they're talking about profit factor, win versus loss, quality over quantity. I will put I totally agree that we better take no trade than low quality trade. That's for sure. Follow the trend. This is how I'm trading. Focus on limited pair. This is how I'm trading. I'm focusing on pound yen and gold. They have a good ebook, I think, that you can take a look. It's pretty long, but it's pretty good as well. So you can see that gold is have not closed to the upside, so it will invalidate our idea for the moment. But you need to keep a look on the chart for a future breakout, pull back on the 38.6, then a push to the upside. So if it this is the market view, if the market is breaking higher, As we can see, this is why we always wait for a closure above the resistance or supportive area, depending of what you're trading, to take a trade. Okay, because we can still wick on the resistance, we can still bounce from it as it's happened right now. So we have no trade to take this morning, guys. I explained yesterday trade on pound yen. I explained my view on gold as well. We So I started to trade my funded next 5K stellar account yesterday. If we have good market structure in the next days and good trade opportunity, I can pass the challenge within a month. Um, or I can pass the challenge in the next three trade as well. It's depend always about the market. So we take a tour. We take a tour of my funded next dashboard. It's pretty clean, pretty nice. We will look further together about this prop firm. That's for sure. I will have some certificate here for sure coming in the next days. So it's pretty clean dashboard. So let me couple a minute. I'm coming back for the end of this stream, guys. It's have been a pleasure to be here this morning. Coming back soon. It's 10 a.m. right now. We have reviewing funded next that we will continue to review in the next days, trading their 15K stellar account one step challenge. Then we have review it gold, which is I explained it. We waiting for a break and pull back on the resistance area to go more to the upside. Then we are reviewing the trade that I missed by 3 pips only yesterday on pound yen. So yeah, coming back soon, guys. Will be a pleasure. See you all tomorrow morning at the same hour, 9 a.m. Take care.